Well, I think of that as theoretical physics. I mean, what I do, if at my best, if I'm lucky, is try and say, you know, what we know and what is implied about what might we know, what might be true. What are the possibilities? I said that in my Star Trek book. That's why Star Trek is fascinating, because it was about the possibilities of the universe. And to me, that's what motivates me, and it motivates all my colleagues. I don't care what's practical. My ex-wife used to be upset by that. I care what's possible. And so that's the joy that I have. I get to think of all sorts of possible universes. But what's really important to realize is that most of those universes are wrong. In fact, almost all the time they're wrong. The one thing we don't explain enough is that almost all scientific ideas are wrong. Okay? If it weren't, anyone could do it. Okay? We can't just say it's beautiful and therefore it's true. In fact, I ended one of my books about extra dimensions with a quote from Hermann Weyl, who's a mathematical physicist, who said, he was a mathematician primarily. He said, in my work, I'm often forced to choose between truth and beauty. And whenever I do, I always choose beauty. That's because he was a mathematician. We have to choose truth. And the only way to find the truth is not to get revelation or to think of it or decide what's logical, which is one of the problems I have about classical logic in the case of the classical philosophers. None of that matters. What makes common sense doesn't matter. It's what the universe tells us is true. And the only way to find that out is by experiment. That's the way we find out what's true.